Yeah. We've discovered a new problem. We're trying to turn over the motor.
I don't think did you guys ever pull the filter?
Oh, no. Of course not. Why would we? Anyways.
I think you did.
I didn't. Maybe Quentin did.
All right, quick update. It's been a few days since we put in the new starter. Had some issues with it, and we're here to work that out. Let's get this thing fired up today.
But what we do need is to do like we were talking about and try adding some more shims to that thing, to the starter. Man, it's crazy that you're so much younger than me and you move just the same way as I do. That was exhausting. Wow. Who would have thought that when you turn over the engine that hadn't turned over in 20 plus years, all that shit would fall out.
Yeah, right?
This man literally will sit tools everywhere. This is the ratchet that he used. Alright, try to put in these shims.
It doesn't, when I try to look it up.
What are you trying to look up?
I should have looked at the part number of that oil filter when I was underneath.
It doesn't have Ventura, so it only has the Catalina.
Yeah.
So
you're
the
only going to
GTO?
find Catalina. So you just need to look for Catalina.
I don't know what engine we have. We have a 389 or
389.
is that it? Okay. So 2 barrel.
I wonder if we got too much shim in here.
$10.
Oh, for a new filter?
Yeah.
Hey, in that cart right there.
All behind me. I got you.
Yeah. Okay. So reach down in here.
Oh God! Give me a minute.
No, you can do it over the.
Okay,
Just reach right over. Yeah. Put it down on the crank. We want to rotate the motor.
Stand by.
Is this the right socket?
Should be.
I don't think so, buddy.
Oh no, that's definitely the wrong socket.
Yeah, I got you.
Okay.
Oh, that's why. So they just stuck it on a different one.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm telling you. I know. Or wait. Here's a big spout.
Okay. You could just try grabbing some of those belts and move the
Whipping?
the manual.
I bet I could.
I mean, it's more than possible that
It is bigger.
Quentin has set us up for failure here. We should hear that starter click when you do
Is
that.
that it doesn't matter what direction?
No, just that's good. It must be shimmed wrong.
Has he got sand or something, or?
Oh, I don't know. Probably just some Oklahoma dirt for that.
Probably, yeah.
The shims that I left over there,
Where'd you leave him, buddy?
right there. I thought.
Here at this station. Or are we talking over there?
I have no clue.
I mean,
Oh, they're right here. Good eyes. Way to look for that. I almost wonder if we should just start with 0 shims. Only take 1 out. Let's try that. Ever shimmed a starter? Yeah, we eat this a bunch. Damn, that was a thickin', boy. It's like a BK at work.
oh, buddy.
A hell of a number.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna just I'm gonna take out the thin shim and leave the thick one in.
Okay.
And we'll try that and see what happens. I noticed the other day that this one wasn't going back. I probably should have known right
Probably
away.
just a mod how old it is.
Well, I wasn't really thinking about it, but they should always go back in. So the fact that it didn't should have said, oh, well, it's shimmed wrong, and that might be why we're having an issue, with it not
No, maybe that's a good point.
cranking over. Because it's like got too much tension on it.
I hear a fan.
That was the problem.
Jim?
It shimmed too much. So the starter's like bolted up to the bottom of the engine, and it comes out and catches the flywheel.
Right.
Those shims, push it farther down or let it come farther up.
farther.
And I pulled one out to let it go up more, and I think what it was is it was coming out so much that it would bend that shaft that's pushing it out down, and that was what was putting too much tension on it, because it rolled over super easy there.
It looked good. We had all the motion.
Okay. Well, let's see how terrible that oil leak looks coming out, and I'm going to crank it again.
Quit just making oil puddles and then going and leaving us to make eggs.
Here you go.
Oh, more rags. Oh, man.
Honestly, it's probably just the gasket.
I'm just gonna crank through the aluminum.
Oh, yeah. But we want this thing to go tonight.
Yeah, it should run as long as it's not hemorrhaging oil.
It looks like it is.
Yeah, well, I would agree.
When you turn, it's just like good steady stream.
Okay, she's definitely a squirter.
Yeah,
Let's
buddy.
get shooting it out. Got her. Should probably wear some iPro.
You got some iPro on.
Some better iPro. Here comes the nasty stuff.
Oh, buddy. Money. Oh.
Right, I'm also wondering. Oh shit, I know what it is.
What you got?
That line I was curious about being the oil pressure. I mean, that's my guess. I'm fairly certain about it. Hey, while you're over there on
Speak to me.
is crescent wrenches.
Are they over here? Are they in the...
Yeah, they're hanging on the side of it on some hooks.
Oh, I see. Oh, yep. Give me what size you need.
The smaller one.
Thanks, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
This is the problem right here. This set right above the filter, and this line is where it was squirting out oil. Now the hardest part will be is finding a bolt in this place that would fit it.
Oh, you want to plug it?
Yeah, this is a semi-amateur at best. So that's gonna be a problem. Perfect impression. Look, look at that. Perfect.
That is perfect. How would you do that?
Now we just need to trim that out perfectly. Put it in that cap and then screw it down and
This-
smoke it on.
Not even 10 snips?
Yeah, give me some scissors. It's just,
Oh, basically, yeah.
I mean, it's just
I would take
it's just a
dice.
beer can.
This video is going to be 90% us looking for shit.
It happens. Hey, here's the, look. These are those files I was looking for. Oh, I found scissors!
That'll work.
I just hope these aren't his wife's. These are those cut the bones out of your chicken scissors. Not necessarily the best circle I've ever cut out.
Everything like rubber, we could like shove on around the edges.
We're just gonna try this.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Look, natural glove.
Alright, so we cut out a tiny piece. We're gonna sit it on this and then screw the cap on and hopefully that'll make a seal with a rubber glove. See what happens.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, boy. No way it's gonna leak more than it did because it was just an open line in.
Correct.
This will win. We'll do a blow test. Oh, that bitch sealed.
Whoa.
That held it. That held it.
Bubble check approved.
Ow, shit, that was sharp metal that I punched with my knuckles.
I'll not do that.
You paying me to be smart.
Oh yeah, we still got oil in it, baby.
Oh, did you actually wipe the dipstick off?
Yeah, I actually did.
Yeah, I like how Quentin just pulled it out. I was like, ah, there's still oil on the dipstick. My man.
Is that how we're starting it with a screwdriver?
Yeah, well, you know, we drilled out the ignition.
Holy.
Now we're gonna see if we can make a fireball. That's probably enough.
Lousy was that lot.
Listen, if it's gonna go, we want to know. You feel me?
I don't know what side I want to stand on. Hey, we pull those spark plugs yet to see?
Oh, hell no. I can't believe you asked that question.
I didn't.
Well, we literally been doing everything backwards from how I normally would. Have you look at this and tell me if you see it arcing or not.
Nope.
Nothing. A distributor or a wiring issue is a whole nother series of questions. Probably a wiring issue.
Perfect.
I was really hoping that we were just going to get lucky and that distributor was going to actually work. And it would fire up and Quentin would hear it and come running.
Oh, shocks engaged. Boy.
I don't know what Quentin got that heat set to, but it's hot.
In here?
Not like Nelly hot, you know, hot. See, look, there's that wire. Easiest way really would be to take this off and, you know, knock that wire through and then just run a new one up into here.
Oh, those are way nicer.
Yeah, they suck as well, but yes. See if you can find
A terminal.
Yeah, and I'll try and fish this through that hole. No way that was that easy. Dude, that wire went right through that hole on the first try.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, perfect. Perfect!
Anything
Yeah, that's
smaller.
perfect. This is the money. We do need those skinny crimpers that you had, though. Some regular pliers now.
Well,
Because that didn't do a damn bit of good.
really? Yeah.
Oh, shit!
It fell off?
Yeah, of course it did. I'm going to need those again in a moment.
Alright, I'll keep it.
Woo!
What's happening over there?
Damn, man, we about thought you fell asleep or got,
Oh,
you
we
know,
were-
putting a coma in there.
Oh, we thought you got your ass beat.
Oh, God.
And then we figured you burnt the eggs.
Yeah, we've got a lot
What,
of
the
confidence.
oil leak?
Yeah, we fixed the oil leak.
An oil leak?
The
And the filter was perfectly fine though.
yeah, the accumulator was definitely not working right. It was a oil pressure feed line. Didn't notice that there was, you know, no wires at all going to the ignition coil.
Oh, yeah, I got a spark plug testing thing.
Oh, well, we didn't know that. You were eating eggs.
Yeah, 90% of our time out here we've been looking for tools.
At least a solid hour of us hunting down fucking fiddly
This
shit.
guy's always talking shit on my tools. Come on, man. To rock the night away.
You're in the wrong
You
season.
were all yellow. What we need to do is check the cool.
That's that
Oh,
ventilator.
yeah. If it
Alright.
ain't gonna work, it's gonna boom something.
Let me go hit the key again.
Alright, give her the beans.
We got a transmission line starting to spit train fluid right now.
When did that start? Here, I plugged it.
All right, good luck, fellas.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I got, at least we got a few issues worked out. The
Yeah.
oil leak solved, the starter turns it over now. I'll put the camera in the engine bay so you can see what's going on here. The other day, starter was having issues. It was just shimmed improperly. Pulled a shim out, engine turned over good. We did some checks on the ignition coil. It checked out good. Hugh did a test later on with just the wire coming off of it.
Alright, this is what I'm talking about doing here, checking this cool. I robbed this spark plug off the 68 Chevy back there. And you run your hot wire to the hot, you just run a ground to the other side of that cool. And then you're gonna ground, I got the spark plug ground against that now. Watch this here, see if we can get some spark. Okay, we got spark. Now look, all I'm doing is grounding this. So the cool's good, we're getting spark.
The problem has to be somewhere between the distributor cap, the rotor button, ignition condenser inside of the distributor here. We'll just replace all three of those items. And there is our old rotor button. Tiny little screw. Anyways, that's the ignition coil. But could very well have been the problem. Let's go get the new stuff. Right back in, same way the old one came out. Loosen it up a bit more. Take our new button. Alright, if she's gonna fire up, now's the time. Give a little shot of this down in there. That's probably enough. Alright, so we're going to do a couple more tests just to make sure that it's good. 1.8's kind of up there. Alright, so 9,000. So it's in a good range. Now, this might go showing my age. I don't remember how long ago I bought these. These were a whole $2.99. Probably get one of these for that price now. Maybe she goes. Alright, I'm gonna try it again. So I cleaned the points, the new condensers in there, rotor button and distributor cap.
Well, I couldn't use the file, had to break out the Dremel. These keys, boy. Oh, you damn right. Oh, you damn right. Check it out. Oh, get back in there. Oh yeah.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share the video, leave me a comment, and we will see you on the next video.